You know the way to my heart, my love.
So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jen. And it is supper time, kaya magluluto ako. So I'm going to cook mac and cheese and chicken wings. Kasi yun ang request ng asawa ko. So let's start cooking! So guys, for our mac and cheese ingredients, meron ako ditong 2 cups of fresh milk, 1 can of 2% partly skim milk, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, butter, breadcrumbs, macaroni noodles or the elbows, and then flour, but we only need 3 tablespoons of flour. I have here olive oil para sa ating macaroni, and then pepper, paprika, and salt. So ready na yung ating boiled water. So lalagyan ko siya ng oil. Nilagyan ko siya ng oil para hindi magdikit-dikit yung ating noodles. Nalalagyan ko siya ng salt for the flavor. Then takpan natin ulit and wait na mag-boil. So ayan, nag-boil na siya guys. So ilalagay ko na yung 2 cups na macaroni noodles. Then let's wait hanggang maluto yung ating noodles. So habang hinintay natin maluto yung noodles, ihahanda ko na yung sauce para sa ating macaroni. So guys, mainit na yung ating pot. Ilalagay ko na yung butter. So para hindi masunog yung butter, make sure na yung heat nyo is nasa low. So ready na yung butter. Ilalagay ko na yung flour. So maglalagay ako ng 3 tablespoons na flour, 1 at a time. So guys, in-adjust ko yung temperature ng stove to medium heat. Then stir mo lang siya ng stir para hindi siya mapagod. So ilagay ko na yung 2 cups na fresh milk. Then ihalo mo siya hanggang makombine yung flour mixture. So guys, medyo nag-boil na siya. Lalagyan ko ng konting paprika and pepper. So guys, nilagay ko na yung buong pack ng mozzarella cheese. Bali 320 grams siya, equivalent to 3 cups. Then, ilalagay ko na yung buong can ng skimmed milk. I-on ko na yung ating oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Pre-preheat natin. So, ayun guys, ilalagay ko na yung macaroni. So guys, ihahanda ko na yung aking baking pan. So lagyan natin ng butter. So yun guys, nag-boil na siya. Then ilagay na natin siya sa baking pan. So guys, para sa ating chicken wings, syempre yung chicken wings, ito honey garlic, sriracha. Siya magluluto!
Barbecue, baby, barbecue.
So, meron ako dito melted butter. Imimix ko lang siya sa breadcrumbs. So, ayun guys. Ready na siya. So, ilagay ko na yung cheddar cheese. And then, ilalagay ko na yung breadcrumbs. Ready na siyang i-bake. So, the oven is ready. So, i-bake ko na siya for 20 minutes. Guys, ayan. Luto na yung ating chicken wings. Guys, 4 minutes left. Tingnan natin. Guys, tingnan nyo. Yan yung honey sriracha. Guys, tingnan ninyo. Tamang-tama lang nag-melt yung cheese. Oh, diba? Hindi siya dry. So guys, got mac and cheese and chicken wings.
Alright, let's eat them all.
If you like it all.
Really tasty. I think it's the best mac and cheese I ever had, Mama. Not even lying.
You sure?
Expensive mac and cheese. I think there's a lot of ingredients.
I'll put milk in it. And cheese. Lots of cheese.
I don't even like macaroni and cheese that much, but this one's good. This one's delicious.
Nagustohan niya. So guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video. Bye!